Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I will be making a DIY woven gloves using this old denim jeans. So I will be using these gloves for my pattern because I don't have those old gloves already. So I will make this one as a pattern. I'll trace it and cut it afterwards. So I will just give a little bit of allowance in here for my arms so that it will reach here up to my arms. And yeah, so just trace it like this. And cut it a little. Okay, so that's it. And I will use this huge scissor because it is so sharp. And I'll change this huge from the small scissor. So I cut it one by one. Because when you buy those woven gloves nowadays, it's already expensive in a mall. It's expensive. And it's better to make my own woven gloves, DIY. I choose the denim fabric because it's quite thick. The fabric is quite thick, see, and the heat won't penetrate my hands, my palm, when I use it for the food, in an oven. So it's done, and I still have to cut it very nicely here also. It's already cut, and set this aside and proceed to my DIY gloves, woven gloves, or woven mittens. So it's already done. This is already done. Not exactly like shape of the gloves, but this also can already be used. And also this one is done. And now I'm going to sew all the sides here. So if you want to make this one, you can also put pad in here or anything to make it thick, but this one is already thick. This So guys, this is all done. Then I will flip this over and try it. So now that it's done, I am going to try it on my hand. And guys, this is it, my DIY oven gloves. So that I can use this already now for my cooking. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me all the way on my YouTube channel. And to those who haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon, likes my videos so we get in touch each other. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you and bye bye.